Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix update required error on your Zoom app. If you can't join a meeting or start a meeting because you're getting this error where you are told your app version needs to be updated to a specific version or higher, please update to continue. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, try updating it by directly tapping on update here, and this should take you to your appropriate store to update. If you are on iPhone, you'll be taken to App Store. However, if you are on Android, you'll be taken to Google Play Store. However, if this was not possible, then you can do this manually by just looking for Google Play Store app if you are on Android, and then from here search for Zoom and you should see an update here. Update your app to the latest version, and once you have updated it, just log in and you should be able to use your app. But should you still not be able to use your app, you'll need to restart your phone, and now your Zoom app should be working without any issue. So that's how you can fix update required error on your Zoom app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.